Before you install a grab bar into your shower system using Laticrete, Wedi, or Schluter, you need to talk to us because you don't want to penetrate those systems. Take a look at this video.
Stop! These violate waterproofing and fail. Here's a better way. Victoria Series grab bars. Waterproof, strong and reliable, and minimal in design. Our complete kits do not contain any wall anchors. Available in 4 sizes, also in curved. TileWare offers unique packaging. Trim and Rough-In are packaged separately. Trim is packaged in a poly bag, and the hardware pack is located with the grab bar. The kit contains all stainless steel components, machine screws, and our patent-pending rotating bushing. Our patented PermaTile Rough-In Anchor, also made from stainless steel, with unique installation components like a thumb screw and stabilizer. Also included stainless steel self-drilling screws for stud attachment. Now, let's start the install. Lay out and level where the Rough-In anchor will be situated. Now remove a portion of the tile board to create a slot. Cut slot with a multi-tool or utility knife. After, remove tile board and locate wood or metal studs. Now slip anchor into slot and secure with self-drilling screw. Now take membrane and make 1/4 inch crosshatch cuts. Proceed with filling slot and surrounding board with thinset. Slip membrane over thumb screws and press flat into thinset. Apply sealant around anchor base. Remount stabilizer for dimensional accuracy, then proceed with tile installation. Immediately after grouting, proceed with trim installation. First, remove stabilizer and thumb screws. Now you can apply the cover washer. After, go ahead and mount the rotating bushing. Secure the bushing using the 1024 stainless steel machine screw. Stainless steel screws are coated with a thread locker. At this point, only tighten bushing loosely. Here's a fact. When combining our anchor with substrates, thinset, and tile, we create a super strong system like rebar and cement. Now let's go ahead and match the hole on the underside of the grab bar with the bushing threads. This process allows us to test alignment. Confirm bushing alignment with grab bar sleeve. After alignment confirmation, remove grab bar to tighten bushings. Make a line with a permanent marker across the seam of the bushing. Now, using a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, tighten bushing securely manually. We suggest that you don't use a power tool. After tightening, the lines should not be broken. Here's a detailed view of that process. Now go ahead and slip the grab bar over the bushings. Attach grab bar using 6/32 stainless steel screw. Use a number 2 Phillips screwdriver manually. Do not use a power tool. This same screw is used on both the left and right side bushing positions. Here's a view from the underside. Victoria Series grab bars, waterproof system, strong and reliable, minimal in design. Exclusive technology from TileWare products. Buy us once for life.